Well, hey everybody, I have been testing out Korean skincare sheet masks for a very long time, looking for one that could not just hydrate the skin, but could calm things like breakouts, help brighten and even skin tone and texture, while de-aging fine lines and wrinkles, of course, but also be able to work for men. It's a lot to ask, I know. Well, I found one that I actually love, and I'm going to be sharing all those details with you in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not into your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So be sure and hit subscribe and that little notification bell so that you don't miss when my new videos are out each week. And be sure to check me out on other social media platforms and my Skin So Fabulous blog. All those links down below in the video description box. Okay, so the amazing product that I am reviewing today, not sponsored, bought it myself, tried it myself. The product today is the Bro Mask by Jackson Lane. It is a skincare mask, a Korean style, if you will, sheet mask that you use to treat for anti-aging and super hydration of your skin. And we'll be telling you all about it and demonstrating how to use it in today's video. It's also fragrance-free. It's also cruelty-free. So it checks a whole heck of a lot of boxes when you think about all the things that it can do for your skin. And yes, you ladies, and I know there are a lot of you watching, can use it too. But it is an award-winning mask, 8 different skincare awards. It is the #1 selling skincare mask for men, and for good reason. You just have to look what they have packed this mask with when it comes to their formulation and ingredients. First and foremost, niacinamide, which of course helps calm skin redness and regulate oil production. Peptides, which actually help your skin produce and maintain collagen levels. Very important if you don't want to look older. Topical collagen and hyaluronic acid in a water and glycerin base, which is super hydrating for your skin, along with vitamin C and plant extracts like green tea and licorice root, which help brighten and even out skin's tone and texture. Wow, it does everything. And one of the key features of this mask, one that I really like, it's a hydrogel mask instead of those cloth or paper style masks that are very common with Korean sheet masks. They tear very easily. They're very hard to deal with. These go on the skin, sit on the skin, and ensure that those serum ingredients are getting absorbed into your skin. The other thing they've done is, because this product is designed for men, is break the mask into 2 pieces, an upper piece and a lower piece. That's for those of us who have beards, because obviously a hydrogel mask is not going to stick to the beard. So you can use the upper piece just by itself. But I want to demonstrate how to use this. Obviously, always get your hair out of your face. You tear open the packet, and inside will be the 2 pieces, and they're very, very wet. Hydrogel is kind of hard to handle. At first, you have to get used to messing with it. After you remove the gel from the lining, you simply just apply it to your skin, smoothing it out, making sure you don't get it in your eyes, but that it covers your face. And the great thing, again, this is an oversized mask, so it's all the way down to my beard line, which is really, really nice. And you leave this mask on for 20 or so minutes. You can leave it on longer if you want. I tend to just leave it on for a half an hour and pull it off. It's just easier for me to time it that way. But 20 minutes minimum is what they tell you to use. Jackson Lane recommends that you use the mask at least once a week, up to 2 times a week. You can use it more. There's nothing in these skincare ingredients in this formulation that's going to be harmful to your skin. They're much like the skincare ingredients that I recommend you guys use in your morning routine anyway. But very, very hydrating to have this sit on the skin for that long. Then you just simply remove it after time is up. And then you just pat that serum into the skin. If there's extra, I highly recommend you put it into your neck and hands. Now, speaking of that, if you're not using both pieces, that leaves the lower piece behind, right? Well, don't throw that away. You can use it under the beard line on your neck, or more importantly, on the back of your neck, which is an area that guys tend to neglect over time and gets the most skin aging and sun damage. That's usually one of the areas that I have to focus with on guys to get that skin to look a lot younger. Takes a lot of work. So this will be a very helpful product for the back of your neck if you're not using it on your lower face. Now, if you don't have a beard or stubble where the hydrogel won't stick, then certainly use both pieces. Now, this begs one to wonder when skincare companies for guys are going to come out with a great treatment for the back of the neck. We're waiting. Now, I saved perhaps the best news about this product for last, and that is the fact that this product, this box of 4 treatments, costs $28. And for those of you who know, and many of you do, Korean sheet masks worth their salt cost some money. Some of these mask treatments, hydrogel treatments, are $45 a pop. There are 4 of the masks in the box, so that's $7 a treatment. That's very inexpensive for something this well formulated. And when we talk about results, I love it. I absolutely love the results I get from this. It's amazing. Now, I will put a link to this product down below in the video description box for you to go and check out. They have other skincare products for men that are absolutely amazing, including these eye gel masks that are similar to this hydrogel mask. Very cooling, anti-puff, anti-tiredness. Same thing, super hydration and brightening. And for even more ways for you to perfect your skincare routine so you get your best skin ever, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. It's gonna help you out a ton. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on that next video.